In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design an email in Constant Contact. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account and looking at the left navigation menu. To access the email tool, click Channels and then select Emails. This is the main area where you create, edit, and manage your email campaigns, so it is a good place to return to whenever you want to build something new. Next, begin your campaign by clicking the plus Create button or the plus Create an Email option depending on what you see on your screen. This starts the email creation flow and takes you to the template library. Now you will choose a template. Templates give you a professional layout, so you do not have to start from a blank page. Browse the library and look for a design that matches the type of message you are sending, such as a newsletter, announcement, or promotion. When you find one you like, hover your cursor over that template and click Select. Once the template opens, you will be in the email editor. Constant Contact uses a drag-and-drop interface, which means you can build your email by placing content blocks exactly where you want them. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see elements you can add, like images, text, buttons, and videos. Drag the block you want from the toolbar and drop it into your layout. Take your time placing items in a clean order and keep spacing consistent so the email is easy to read. After you add your content, move to Styling. Use the Design tab to adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics. This helps your email look consistent with your brand. Keep the font readable and use your main brand color for buttons so your call to action stands out. When you are ready to move forward, click Continue. Give it a moment, since loading or processing can take some time. Next, configure your send settings. Add the list or segment you want to receive the email, and then add your subject line. Make the subject clear and specific so recipients know what to expect. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Send. And that is all there is to it.